jabbering away just like she's doing out here. So she definitely seems to like her new life of performing. Let's see if we can get her to perform for us. Hi.
Hello, Tika.
Well, hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you a happy birdie?
Yes, I'm a happy birdie. You sound like a happy birdie. Tell everybody your full name.
Tika Bonika.
What's that?
Tika Bonika.
Tika Bonika. Bet you gave yourself that name. Yeah. Let's play a couple games. Make sure we have your attention. Remember this one? Peekaboo. That's right. Here's another one. Watch your feet. Now, when I actually do grab her foot, that becomes...
What you
There you go. And I want you to throw everybody some kisses. Kisses? What do you see out there? I don't see anything. How about kisses? Over here, kisses. There we go. Now we're ready to try some songs. Now Tika does sing at least part of several different songs, and I'm trying to get her to associate those songs with different colors. My goal is that if we come out here on stage and she can't quite hear me, maybe I can hold up a specific color and that'll help cue her to sing that song. That's how it's supposed to work on paper. Let's see how it works today. Here we go. We'll start with the white for cake frosting. Ready? Go for it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
All right, I gotta stop you there. I always stop her because she doesn't know anybody's name, so. Let's try a longer one. Let's try yellow. Yellow. Go for it. For sunshine.
Oh my God.
Oh, yellow.
Oh my God.
Yellow is mild. Mild.
My only sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray.
There you go. Good job. All right, let's try blue. Now you can do the blue song. Blue. Blue is for agriculture. Political joke. Blue. Old. You're looking all over the sky except me. We have Doppler radar for that. Don't worry. Old.
My only,
Old.
only God,
That's great, but it's too E. That's her evil voice, by the way. Matches her evil laugh. First time I heard that, I started to wonder what really happened to that family in Michigan. Nobody's ever heard from them. Let's try green for tree. Ready? No, you have to actually look this direction. Rock.
rock my baby down, tree top. When we move, the cradle rock. When the bell breaks, and down, come baby cradle.
Skipped a whole bunch of words. No matter what she skips, the baby always comes down. I'm telling you, the bird is evil. Bird is evil. Red. Sing it, that's right.
Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird.
There you go. Now tell everybody goodbye.
Mockingbird.
One more time.
A
Bye-bye.
mockingbird.
That's my girl Tika, ladies and gentlemen.
Bye.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Yeah.
Mockingbird.
Yes. Yeah. I know. I saw you. I was there.